Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can use n8n community. Okay, this is basically a website that is going to be kind of integrated but at the same time separate with n8n, which as you know is the workflow and automation tool software. It's going to allow you to to create different automations. What this is going to allow you to do basically, if we click in here, is to connect, to share, and to learn from people that are already using n8n. And they might be proficient at it, and then might want to teach something about it that you might not know. And also you can ask like different questions if you have any doubts on how n8n works. Okay, so this is kind of a forum. Now, the good thing about this community is that it actually have prizes, which is what I'm going to show you later. So, first of all, you're going to click in here and you're going to click on login, and you're going to be welcome to this dashboard in here, which is like the main forum. As you can see, we have first of all the topics section, which is this one here. And we have all of the main topics that we can review. Okay, this is basically questions that people ask. As you can see, one says, course level 2 details not received, WhatsApp trigger receiving messages. These are different problems that people are going to have, and they're going to try to get help in here. So you can just click on one of these posts and see what it's all about, and you can maybe see different replies, and you can even reply on your own by clicking in here if you have something to add, something to say. Okay, and this is going to serve you as inspiration sometimes to create your own notes and your workflows and to actually solve some of your problems that you might have. So you can actually, add like a new topic by clicking in here, new topic. Okay, you just have to provide like a title, a category, which is going to be questions usually in your case, and the different tags, and basically what your problem is in here. Okay. So yeah, and you can also paste your workflows code by clicking in here, and yeah, that's it for the topics pretty much. Now, something that you can do as well is you can actively participate in this forum, in this page in here, and you're gonna win prizes. So if you basically go to the support leaderboard section in here, as you can see, we have these guys in here which are at the top, and each 30 days, each month, they're gonna give away prizes depending on this leaderboard, and they're gonna give away prizes to the first, second, third place, I believe. Okay, and you can see here the number of points, which is basically going to be related to how people are going to consider if you're useful or not. They're going to give you kudos, which are like points, and these kudos are going to accumulate in your profile, and you're going to be able to win prizes. You have actually more details in here in the how to join section. So if you scroll down, you can see the prices, the rewards for each month. It says, every month you're going to be given this. Okay, so if you are, for example, the first place, you're going to be given 500 euros, which is a lot, in a gift card. Okay, now let's say that you want to learn more about n8n. What are you going to do? You're just going to come to the tutorials section in here, and this is actually like a recopilation of YouTube videos that are specialized in n8n, as you can see, and you're going to have many different tutorials, as you can see. Okay, what's cool about this is that some of these are actually made by n8n. This first three, actually you have the advanced course, the beginner course, and the how to share your tutorials. But yeah, this focus on these two, the advanced course. So if you click in here, you have multiple videos, okay, on the advanced course, and this is going to show you how you can actually use this proficiently. You can also select the language if you speak other, or you want to maybe watch a tutorial in French or in German. You can do this totally. Just click in here, and you can also choose different tags if you want to specify what the tutorial is going to be about. Okay, so you have many different tutorials in here that you can watch to get familiar with n8n and how it works. Okay, guys, so yeah, that's pretty much it. In general, just be helpful to people, and if you have any questions, we're gonna let you know. And you also have like the announcements in case that something important comes up. So the admins are actually going to post things in here. But I just recommend you to focus on the tutorials, and in the topics or in the questions. Okay, if you want to ask or you want to see or you want to reply to some questions. Thank you so much, guys.